Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Telegram birthday celebration feature in 2026. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So generally what happens is whenever you have or your friend has a birthday already set on Telegram, you can actually go ahead and know it. But in order to go ahead and know it, you want to simply go to your chats and tap on the person's name and open their profile. If they've entered their birthday, then it is going to be shown here on the birthday field. Whenever there is going to be their birthday, it is going to go ahead and tell you that it is their birthday, and don't forget to wish them. You can simply go ahead and click on this little pop-up which says celebrate birthday, which generally pops up sometimes, which is going to go ahead and turn the whole chat into happy birthday. So once you simply go ahead and do that, you can also enjoy by sending them happy birthday messages, gift them stars or gifts, and so on. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.